In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of confirming your MX records in Google Workspace. MX records are one of the most important parts of your email setup because they determine where your domain's emails should be delivered. If they're not configured correctly, emails may fail, bounce, or go to the wrong server, so verifying them regularly is essential for smooth communication across your organization. To begin, open your web browser and head to the Google homepage. From there, click the Sign In button at the top right. Make sure you're logging in with the Google Workspace account that has admin permissions. If you manage multiple accounts, choose the one associated with your organization's domain. Enter your password and continue into your account. This login step is crucial because only administrator accounts can access MX record settings. Once you're signed in, move your attention again to the top right corner and click on the Google Apps menu, represented by a grid of small dots. A drop-down will appear showing all available Google services. From this list, select the admin icon. This opens the Google Workspace admin console where all your domain level controls and configurations live. Inside the admin console, navigate to the Apps section. This area manages all Google services attached to your domain, including Gmail, Calendar, Drive, and more. Click on Apps and then select Google Workspace from the expanded list. This will display detailed configuration options for each service within the suite. Next, select Gmail. Since MX records are responsible for directing email flow, the Gmail section is where these settings are located. After clicking it, look for an option labeled Setup or something similar depending on your interface version. Selecting this option will bring you to a page where key email configuration details are displayed. Here, you'll find your MX records. MX stands for Mail Exchange, and these records tell the internet which mail server should receive emails for your domain. Google Workspace has specific MX entries that must be added or confirmed in your domain registrar's DNS panel. Reviewing this section allows you to confirm that each required Google MX entry is present, properly spelled, and assign the correct priority value. If your MX records match the list provided by Google, your email should route correctly without interruption. If something seems off, missing entries, incorrect priorities, or typos, it's important to correct these settings in your domain's DNS manager as soon as possible.